Hello everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to another unboxing and review video. Alright guys, recently I had one and surprisingly now I have another one. And yeah, without further talking, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so here it is. This is my brand new Denver GHS-130 gaming headset. So I personally never heard of this brand, Denver. This is my first time hearing and seeing this brand. Apparently there is not a single video on YouTube about this headset or any review on the internet or anything. There is literally nothing about this headset, or at least I couldn't find anything. And this headset was gifted to me by my parents, who are currently working in Austria, and this was a gift to me for my birthday. That was while they were at Austria working. They are back again there working. They're very hard-working people, and I thank them a lot for this gift. I'm definitely gonna use it no matter what it is, because it's a gift from my parents. And I doubt this headset can be actually that bad. So they said they paid around 50 euros for it, which is kinda actually a lot. This is actually the money that you can buy a Razer Kraken headset here in Croatia for that money, you know. So that's quite a lot of money actually for a headset. You know, I expect this to be at least quality with the sound, because honestly, like this through the box, it doesn't look that special. But yeah, thank you mom and dad, I appreciate it, I love you. And let's unpack this. Let's see how good is this headset. Let's pull it out slowly. Alright, let's leave it aside for now because I see this. This is a manual, user manual. This is how the box looks like once it's opened. Denver GHS-130 user manual. Please read carefully. Alright. There is an English one first. Setup and use. Adjust the headset for a snug yet comfortable fit. To light up the LEDs on your headset, plug the USB connector into a powered USB port. Plug the USB connector into a computer's USB port to start using the headset. Use the volume roller on the ear shell to adjust the volume. Compatibility, a laptop/desktop computer. So that's what it says. Alright, so the drive unit is 50 millimeters, so it's a USB port. Impedance is 32 ohms +/- 15%. I have no idea what that means. Sensitivity is 115 decibels +/- 3 decibels. Alright, that's, you know, standard stereo headset. And this is also a stereo headset. It's not surround headset or anything, it's just a normal headset. Frequency range is between 20 Hz and 20 GHz. Cable length is approximately 2 meters, and microphone sensitivity is -38 decibels +/- 3 decibels. Please notice, all products are subject to change without any notice. We take reservations for errors and omissions in the manual. All rights reserved. Copyright Denver AS. And that's it. And this is the electronic disposal message. And this is now again the same, just in different language. I guess that's German or something. Alright, let's put that away. Just like that. And let's examine the headset itself. Oh boy. I can hear and feel a lot of cheap plastic here. This definitely doesn't feel like a 50 euros headset. This is either a sick joke or a big scam, you know. This Like, this is definitely not worth 50 euros. I don't know. The microphone has the wire, you know, you can put it any way you want. So, I guess that's cool. I kind of wish there was like a slot or something where I could just attach this, so whenever I'm going to put that on my head, I kind of have to aim where to put my finger, not to touch the microphone. But okay, you know, it's a gift from my parents, so it's fine, it's okay. The headset right now I'm using is from my ex, so I definitely want to get rid of that. Alright, let's see how it looks like when I plug it in. So it's normal USB port. And let's plug it into my computer. And voila! It glows! Hey, even the microphone glows. It doesn't change the colors, but it's like blue. That's cool. While on both sides it has rainbow color. Yeah, it's nice, it's colorful. Looks great. Alright, let's see how the microphone sounds, how the headset sounds, and how it feels on my ears. Also, this also feels pretty cheap actually, you know. Doesn't feel like a 50 euro headset, but okay. I mean, like I said, it's a gift, so yep, it's gonna do just fine. Alright guys, so this is it. This is how the headset looks like on my head, and honestly, it is comfortable. It is over-ear headset, so your ears just full inside, you know, so it's kind of over your ears. That's actually the only good thing about this headset, because first of all, the cable length is so small. I just can't use this headset like this. This is terrible. Second of all, it only has 48,000 hertz option. That's it. It has no other options. It's not Realtek audio compatible. It's terrible. This headset is absolutely terrible, and my heart breaks because my parents just wanted to give me a headset so I can enjoy playing video games. And I'm making fun of it because it's bad. It's just bad. I am sorry, mom and dad. I hope they never see this video. And I'm actually sorry a little bit. If they paid 50 euros for this, which I highly doubt, I think they're actually lying to me a little bit, you know, just to make me feel better as their son, you know. But if they actually paid 50 euros for this, fuck you, whoever scammed my parents, because this is literally just plastic. I mean, look at it. It looks cheap. It feels cheap. And it should be fucking cheap. And 50 euros is definitely not the price for this. So I don't really know what happened there with the price, but yeah, it has only 48,000 hertz. It's terrible. Looks like I'll have to keep the headset from my ex, you know, until I get the new one soon. But yeah, let's try out the microphone. At least let's hear how the microphone sounds. So let's go there and let's mute this one.
And alright, now this is the... Holy shit, that's loud, man. Fucking hell. What is AGC option? It has AGC option. What does that do? Holy fucking shit, this mic is loud, man. It's probably noisy as fuck. Holy shit. This I can see like the the volume bar being like this flat constantly. Oh my god, it's terrible. That is just fucking terrible.
Alright, I should be back now on my Red Dragon mic with a pop filter, the one you see here. Um, yeah, by the way, that was the sound from this headset, and unfortunately, the only thing I can do is try to listen to some music. Here it goes, boys, all or nothing. It's so fucking loud. For no reason. When you put it on the ears, it's not even that loud. And it sounds terrible. This is officially the worst headset I've ever held in my hands and listened volume through, and probably officially the worst microphone for headset as well. Altogether, this piece of garbage is absolutely not worth 50 euros. Wouldn't pay more than 10-20 euros for this. This is like the cheapest possible headset. And I'm very sorry if my parents actually gave 50 euros for this. That kind of pisses me off. You know, you scammed them, you little suckers. This is terrible. Absolutely terrible. Would not recommend wasting money on this garbage. Denver. As soon as I've seen the brand, I knew there was something off with this. Yeah. I can probably sell it to some kids at school or something, you know. You know, the 5th graders or something. Not sure. And yeah, altogether, a terrible headset. Would not recommend it at all. I'll stick to my White Shark Kogar. This is the headset that my ex-girlfriend bought me. It's fine. It's nice. I'm enjoying it since she gifted it to me. But since the things ended, how they ended between us, you know, I should get rid of this as well, you know. And actually, I've been planning on buying a new headset. I'm actually planning on getting the Razer one. That's like probably one of the best headsets you can get on market. So I'll just pick one Razer headset and have finally that 7.1 surround sound, you know, and all that. Until then, yeah, guys, I don't know. I hope you enjoyed this shitty review for a shittiest Denver headset ever made. And yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this review, then go ahead and leave a like, share, comment, or subscribe if you want to. If you don't want to, you don't have to. It's totally okay. You can also join my Chris Facebook group. Link is down below in the description. I post all kind of stuff over there, so join if you want. If you don't want to, you don't have to. It's totally okay. And yeah, guys, I love you. I appreciate everything you've done for me and my channel so far, all the support and everything. You're amazing. And I'll definitely see you in the next videos. Chris out.